If NBA 2K26 shows couldn't start the game and won't even launch, don't panic. This is usually an easy anti-cheat or Windows security conflict. Here are the real fixes Reddit and YouTube users confirmed. First fix, repair easy anti-cheat. Open Steam, right-click NBA 2K26, click Manage, click Browse Local Files, open the easy anti-cheat folder, right-click easy anti-cheat underscore setup.exe, click Run as administrator, click Repair Survey. If that doesn't work, go back to the game folder, double-click Start underscore protected underscore game.exe instead of pressing play in Steam. Second fix, disable memory integrity. Open Windows Security, go to Device Security, tap on Core Isolation Detail, turn off memory integrity, restart your PC. Many Windows 11 users said this fixed instant launch crashes. Third fix, verify game file. Open Steam, go to Library, right-click NBA 2K26, click Properties, click Installed File, click Verify Integrity. This replaces broken update files. Fourth fix, delete video setting. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data open the 2K sports folder, open NBA 2K26, delete video settings.cfg. The game will rebuild fresh graphics file on next launch. Intel 13th or 14th gen CPU. Some Reddit users found CPU spike causes this error. Lower your performance core ratio by 1 or 2 points using Intel XTU. AMD users use recommended drivers, not optional beta drivers. And one important thing, if the game shows logos and then a black screen, wait. First, launch shredder building can take 10 to 15 minutes with no loading bar. There are the most upvoted working fixes in 2026. No fake tricks, just real solution from real players. Bye bye.